Okay, so this is my journal entry going into the funded account that I'm getting next tomorrow. So I haven't taken any trades this week because I've already passed the funded account, but I just want to go over basically what my objectives are with this funded account and what are some of the rules I'm going to be following. As well as like an overall trade plan. So yeah, so basically we're going to be risking like 0.5% per trade. I think that's pretty reasonable, and our goal for the month will be 12%. Um, you know, I mean, yeah, I think at 12% is pretty reasonable. Obviously that can change. If we hit that 12% early in the month, then we'll reevaluate. But hopefully we can pace ourselves with 0.5% risk and work towards that goal slowly. That we also get a lot of experience trading, actual capital again. I think most of my trades I want it to be on GU, but I will obviously take shorts on EU as well. Something good sets up there. The goal is for a higher time frame POI to hit like this H1 POI. We get a reaction, and then we just play the subsequent failures, or subsequent shocks and failures that result from that. And yeah, ideally we want around 10 more per trade, and then we just can hold partials for the next demand level or supply level, depending on long or short. And yeah. Sometimes EU might be cleaner, sometimes EU might be cleaner. I wouldn't worry too much about it. Sometimes we'll have trades on both. But I think as long as we're managing risk and understanding the higher time frame narrative, because the higher time frame narrative is pretty clear at the moment, so we had a daily POI, break the structure, take liquidity, boom, 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 and we just look for the lower time frame trades, and I think that really makes everything pretty simple. And this was a perfect H1 flip, actually. And yeah, you could just target this demand level. Not actually covering any imbalance here, just targeting this demand level, and yeah, we could beat up some nice R on this funding account. I definitely want to still be looking at NASDAQ sometimes because it is still pretty clean, and sometimes the entries will happen in like early London. Sometimes the entries will happen in late New York. You never really know. It's just always good to keep an eye out for it and stick to your rules of what to do when it does hit like a higher time frame. So yeah, just basic game plan really for the fund account. If our edge is as good as I think it is right now, and we stick to our rules and risk management, our risk reward should be really less than 1%. So yeah, I'm just looking forward to this upcoming month. Cheers.